Our today's assembly is dedicated to our beloved Bapu, the father of our nation. Yes, you guessed it right, Mahatma Gandhi. Let's start with a nice thought. I welcome Shaurya to present the thought.
The thought of the day is the future depends on what you do today. I will repeat again. The thought of the day is the future depends on what you do today. Thank you.
Well said. The thoughts of Bapu are really great. So wear mask and stay safe. Now I welcome Sana for the pledge.
I request everybody to please stand up for the national pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sana. It's time to see some nice and positive updates about the world. I welcome Pahal to update us.
Good morning, everyone. Today, positive news are studies say taking hot bath regularly may lower blood pressure. Scientists work on nasal spray that could stop coronavirus to duplicate. Thank you.
Thank you, Pahal. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you that there is a guest in today's assembly. Let's see who it is.
क्या भाई कैसे हो? आजकल अपन लोग मास्क लगा के घूम रहे हैं। हाँ, सर्किट करना ने तो पूरे दुनिया की बैंडी बजा दी। सर्किट अरे बापू की बड़ी याद आ रही है। वो होता ना तो दुनिया कुछ अलग की होती रे। अलग होती बोले तो चल बापू से ही पूछते हैं। चलो भाई लोग हाथ जोड़ो। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम हम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। पहचाना मुझे? मैं आप सबका बापू। मुन्ना ये कोरोना के वक्त इतनी भीड़ क्यों इकट्ठी की है और कैसे याद किया मुझे? आज पहली बार तुमको बापू नजर आ रहे हैं। बापू तेरी वो बात, तेरी वो सीख बड़ी याद आती है। कुछ नई सीख सिखा देना।
मैंने इस दुनिया को 3 मंदिर बताए। पूरा मत देखो, पूरा मत सुनो, पूरा मत बोलो। लेकिन आज तुम सबको और एक सीख देना चाहता हूँ। मेरे चौथे बंदर को मेरे चौथे बंदर को फेक न्यूज मत फॉरवर्ड करो, फेक न्यूज मत फॉरवर्ड करो, जिसकी आज लोगों को बहुत जरूरत है। याद रखना मेरे इस चौथे बंदर को। चलो मेरा समय हो गया है जाने का, ध्यान रखो। बाय बापू। मास्क पहनो। बाय बापू। जय हिंद। Thank you. Ah, I got the answer, Bapu. Thank you, Munna and Circuit, for making it possible. Let's move forward. Now it's time to know some unknown facts about Gandhiji. I welcome Pratyush to tell us some facts.
Unknown facts about Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize 5 times. There are 48 roads outside India that are named after Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji hates taking photos. Interestingly, he is the most photographed person during the period.
Thank you, Pratyush. Now it's time for some fun games. I hand over it to Omkar.
Thank you, Sajal. As you all know that Gandhiji, one of the strongest value was always speaking the truth. So today we'll be playing a fun game with our teacher and they will leave their school days again. Teachers, are you ready for the truth game? My first question is for Snehal ma'am and Sumit sir. Have you ever eaten someone's tiffin and did not admit it later? Thank
Many times I have done it. Miss Zaiban is aware about it.
Same.
You're not excited about it. Never.
Thank you, Snehal ma'am and Sumit sir. My next question is for Kiran ma'am and Shruti ma'am. Tell us one fun secret from your school time which you have not told to anyone.
You want to know a secret that I have not told anyone about my school time?
Thank you, Shruti. Kiran ma'am.
I want to tell you my secret. I have not yet told.
Wait, Omkar, let ma'am speak.
Okay. So the tiffin question reminds me. So we were in grade 12 and we had this habit of completing our tiffin in the very first period. So I used to sit on the first bench and it was our English session and I had my tiffin in under the desk and I was eating it and the teacher was right in front of me. And I don't know, coincidentally, a friend of mine was doing the same on the third bench behind me. And teacher was like, "What are you doing?" And I got scared because I thought the teacher had caught me. But she didn't catch me. She caught the person sitting on the third bench, and she was like, "Right under my nose, you're having tiffin." And I was like, "Okay, I am safe, but I was also having my tiffin." So this is something that nobody knows.
Thank you, Shruti ma'am and Kiran ma'am. My next question is for Yogesh sir and Suhas sir. Have you read about your homework?
Yes.
Omkar, can you please repeat the question?
About your homework?
Yes, sometimes I've didn't complete my homework. That's true. I agree. And thank you so much, Omkar, for asking me this question.
Thank you, Yogesh sir and Suhas sir. My next question is for Nima ma'am and Arju ma'am. Have you read about your sickness to your parents just to skip school?
I would like to answer first. I have never done that. I've been very true. I've never lied to my mummy that I'm having a stomach ache. Mama paid to cry. I've never done that. I was a sincere child. I used to always. I love to go school, meet my friends every day. Nima ma'am, yours opinion, yours truth.
Of course, I also have not missed any of my classes saying that I am ill because I always loved, as Arju said, loved staying with friends and enjoying my schooling and college life. Thank you so much.
I still enjoy it coming school.
Thank you, Arju ma'am and Nima ma'am. I hope everybody enjoyed the game and relived your school day. Have a great day. Thank you.
It's time for the national anthem. I request everyone to stand straight. Over to you, Zaid sir.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you everyone for your presence. I request Miss Monica to bless us with her kind and motivating words.
Good morning, happy morning once again to all the little champs of grade 1 and 2. What a lovely presentation. I think what better tribute can be given to Mahatma Gandhi the way you people have given the tribute. So I think a big applaud to all the first and second graders. Excellent. And a few things, when like your children, young children, fine. So I'll tell you one small story about Gandhiji. When he was in school, it's a very common story, but it is one of my favorites. So the story is like when one day a school inspector was coming. He was a Britisher, and he came to visit Gandhiji's school, how children are doing, how they are learning English. So that time, a dictation of some words was given, and Gandhiji was not knowing the spelling of cattle. Okay, so the teacher said that you can see and copy it from the friend's notebook and you can write that spelling. But Gandhiji did not agree to cheat, and he said, no, no, my mama has told me that we should never do cheating in life, and we should always speak the truth. So I don't know the story of, I don't know the spelling of cattle. So I will not write and copy from anybody else. So, even when he was young, he was so truthful. He never said lie. And so that is one thing we should all learn as children. That many a times we get our test papers, you are soon going to get your half yearly papers also. So can we be honest and can we be truthful and can we write our papers independently without taking anybody's help? Okay. So that you should all promise me in that manner that you will not do and you will follow Gandhiji in that regard. And such energetic good mornings. As soon as we log in the assembly, your such choppy voices and good morning really give us a good start for the day. So thank you so much for that. I think all the presentations, the role play was fantastic. I could see the use of Mumbai language in that. And when we use a local language of a place, what is that word called? What is that language called? It is called as colloquial. So you use the colloquial language of Mumbai today in your play, but the play had a very nice message in the form of MBBS Munna Bhai and Gandhiji's conversation. So very nice and making a lot of sense there. Pratyush facts and all these things really added a lot of flavors. But one more thing, children, Gandhiji always said that on this earth nature has given us enough for our need but not for our greed. Okay, so we should not be greedy, but we should always, so sometimes as children you keep demanding, no, I have 5 cars but I want 10 cars, I want a collection. So you keep piling up toys, and after some time you get bored and stop playing with the toys. So we should only buy things which are necessary for us in life. The more plastic we use, the more things which we just use out of our wish, we collect so much of trash. So that also, Gandhiji believed in lot of cleanliness. He did all his work by himself. He believed in simple living and high thinking. So these are small values which you can also inculcate in yourself, because whatever age you are in, this is called the habit building age. So if you develop the right habits at this time, it will go lifelong with you. Okay. So that is what I would like to say at the end. And thank you so much once again. It was a fantastic presentation. And tomorrow it's not only Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, it is also Lal Bahadur Shastri's birthday. So we must remember both of them. Both of them have really played. Lal Bahadur Shastri as a freedom fighter and as a politician, he has held a lot of important positions in Indian politics after independence. So we must remember him also. Okay. Thank you so much and have a very good day ahead.
Thank you, Miss Monica.